Hey, what's up guys, I hope everyone's doing awesome. My name is Amine Allaf and today we're gonna talk about the things that you absolutely need to start making videos and the things that you don't need. Let's go to it. So the story behind this video, I'm staying home on quarantine and I was going through a couple things since I've been making videos for over a year right now and I have a lot of things. So I was trying to organize my stuff, or maybe my collection, that's a beautiful name for it. And I found the things that I really don't need to use, or the things I barely use, and the things that I absolutely use. So today I'm gonna tell you about the things that you absolutely need to get if you're serious about making videos. So the first thing I usually tell to people is start with what you have. Don't rush to buy things, and you will, like I did honestly. I was broke and I was just trying to buy things from Amazon, things that used, things that I don't need, things I need, because I didn't know and I didn't do my research. So I'm proud of you checking this video here and to know what you need so you don't spend a lot of money or waste a lot of money. So the first thing is start with what you got. The second thing I recommend for people is upgrading your microphone. Don't go anywhere to the tripod or anything like that. Just go and buy a microphone. For me, what I did, I bought a microphone from eBay for $16 and literally wasn't making any difference from my phone. So the second one I bought, it was the Rode, this one here, right here. So I bought this mobile one so I can carry it around and it's easy to carry, and it was the cheapest one for $120. So what I recommend for you, don't actually spend money on a cheap microphone because they're not gonna make any difference. What you usually do, save your money and save that money. You're buying a couple things, so maybe a camera, just buy a Rode microphone like this one, or maybe the small one like that for recording yourself behind the scene, or maybe filming with that microphone. So the second thing is upgrading your audio system. The third thing, which is very important thing, is upgrading your lighting. Let's be honest, everyone will look sexy, everyone will look beautiful on their videos, everyone will look that handsome and anything and all of that, you know, but if you don't have the proper lighting, I guarantee you your camera is not gonna perform to make you look good. So upgrade the lighting. What I did, I bought one on Amazon that time last year for $24, I think, like something like that, and it was the circle light. So I'm gonna send you lots to Amazon today. If you have that a small of a budget, go to Amazon and you get all this stuff. Buy a circle light the size that you want. I prefer like the size, I don't know, like probably 12 inches like circle light. And when you use that light, here's the trick for it. Don't face it straight to your face because they make them dimmable and stuff. That's still gonna give you this, I don't know, something about it. I don't know how to describe it. So how I used it that time, I figured out, I face it to the wall and let it reflect to my face for the best results, let's put it this way. The fourth thing I recommend for people, this is for the people that have a phone, not a camera. It's a phone mount. I'm gonna grab it. So this mount here for a phone is actually give you like, it helps me improve my video and my stability. It gives you like a handle from two sides where you can move your phone stable, you know, so it gives you better quality and more stability, and where you can actually hook up your phone, your microphone right here. So what I usually do, I used to hang this microphone and connect it to my phone and connect it here on top, and I'm filming, and it gives you the flexibility where you can put it straight somewhere, or maybe connect it to a tripod to film yourself. This is not very important, but it was important for me when I was using my phone. The fifth thing and the second last thing is having a tripod. Having a tripod is super important. Super important. I used to put like my chair and things on top of the chair so I can put the phone mount on it until I got the tripod, and life was super easy, super easy. But what I recommend for you is having a flexible tripod or a small tripod from Amazon. Flexible tripod, I will tell you, I give you the flexibility to put it on the top of your car, anywhere, wrap it on the tree or a bar, on the top of a roof, anywhere you want you can put your camera around. It's super flexible and easy to carry, something like that. You know what I'm talking about, right? You can buy one from Amazon for like probably $20 to $30, or you want to buy like a Gorilla tripods. Those are like, they have some adjustment and stuff like that. This starts probably at $74 Canadian, what I'm talking about, and that's what give you the flexibility to be flexible with your videos and your shooting. So that's very important. The sixth and the last thing is upgrading your camera. I know lots of people are like, where is the upgraded camera now? What's the point? You know, upgrading your camera is very good thing. Let's be honest about that. Upgrading is like you're stepping up the game in the video making, and that's a great thing. So lots of people are wondering which camera should they buy. Let me tell you, every camera is designed for certain mission, kind of, let's put it this way. For videos, like I like Sony when it comes to making videos, but I still like Canon. Right now I'm using Canon 70D, but before that I had like Canon M3, EOS M3. This one was great, like probably got all the way to 80,000 subscribers for my channel with the other camera until I got the 70D is great. I trust the focus, you know, like it's quick to focus and come back. That's amazing thing, and it's serving me and until the time comes to upgrade to a different camera. So the camera is the last thing I'd upgrade, because nowadays lots of phones have like these features and all these amazing features on the camera. So it was the last thing I upgraded. Well, I think we can call it now. You guys are ready to start making videos, and those things I mentioned, they're amazing to buy. And if you have any other idea for beginners, please put it in the comment. Don't forget to subscribe, like the button, do all the things that YouTube wants us to do, and from there we go. Love you guys, and see you in the next video.